Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have curry chicken with roti. Yes, curry chicken with roti. And I have a little bit of rice because you know it has too much delicious gravy to not eat rice. Richie doesn't have any rice, but I do.
Yeah. Eat your food today because you're alone in your food.
Oh, fine. Guys, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know you like it because I love it. Rice and dip.
Oh, this tastes good. So we decided to get some roti to go with our curry chicken. And I got some gravy right here to sop it up.
Can't be that is.
Wow.
Can't be that roti is.
That is huge.
Big.
My goodness.
Shit. So this is what you do. Family, I ain't no talking today. Yeah,
You pissed off.
I ain't no talking today.
Family, Richie mad.
Man, I ain't no talking today, family.
Roti is so good.
Drop.
So, when Richie said he was gonna make curry chicken, I said, man, we should have some roti. And we stopped and got some roti. We went to the first store. Oh, sorry. Go ahead, honey.
Fine.
Went to the first store, a roti shop. The lady said, yeah, you can't just walk in and get roti. You have to call first and order it. So we was like, oh, okay. But it's a good thing, and she didn't even offer to make any, but it's okay. But it's a good thing that 5 minutes away was another roti shop. I called her, and she said, yeah, I'll make it for you. Give me 10 minutes. And she made it with no problem.
She lost money.
I guess they make it from, you know, to order. But that's fine. Because we prefer for it to be fresh, so that's not a big deal.
Yeah.
It just kind of remind me of naan. From the Indian store. Warm it up.
It's enough. Big piece of bread is.
It's a lot. And we had 3 of them. This is just 2.
You got money. It's a lot. I only could eat one. It's a lot of bread.
Ooh. Let me tell you something. Even though there's bread here, and it tastes very good. I'm eating curry, I still need some rice.
And messy.
Ooh.
How much time?
Huh?
And messy.
The curry tastes very good.
Look how big this is. I still ain't able to reach halfway in this yet. Damn, it's a big piece of dough.
We didn't realize it was gonna be that big.
Shit.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I just have a side of gravy right here just to dip it in.
Wow.
We really didn't.
Only need one. Yeah. One would do good. You ever had roti before? Let me know.
What?
I'll do one of them better. Let me help you. Monica, help her.
You don't have to help me, honey.
Better help you today. Yeah, I'll do
Whatever I
it.
don't eat, I'm gonna stay right there.
Yeah.
Because this,
Yeah, I'll do one of them back.
you're coming very close.
Family, she by herself today.
But trust me, they're happy.
That's good.
I'm gonna say you always taking my food.
They get you. No. I get one.
Yes.
Yep, I ain't taking her food today.
Not today. Not today, guys.
I ain't taking her food today.
It was driving in the car with this roti. My gosh. The smell that it was giving off in the car. It was delicious.
Still got his big piece. Shit. Wow.
Oh, they're eating it individually. I eat mine together.
I'll try to wrap it up, but can't get in there. Supposed to be wrapped up in here, but I can't work with this one. One thing.
But that's doing your own thing. That's how it's supposed to be.
Supposed to be wrapped up in here, like that.
And you make like a little sandwich.
A sandwich out of it.
Or you can just dip it. Or guess what? You can do whatever you want.
Wow.
Excuse me, guys.
Nothing.
Nothing? One or two?
One. Wow. All you do is eat your food today. It could well help you out now.
Good.
Better help you out, man. I help my first day today.
Richie not helping me because Richie mad.
I ain't mad. You eat your food by yourself today. And it's not because of that.
Richie mad.
So, all the people, make sure you help first day today. His wife, his life, make sure you help her too.
And she'll help me.
Yeah, make sure all them help you.
And when I'm full, I'm full.
That's right.
Richie mad family. Tell me in the comments if you want to know why he mad. And when I tell you why he's mad, you're gonna say, really? Huh. But it's okay. That's how Aries are. He's my husband, I love him. But Aries, they get mad for any little thing. They get pissed off. But I don't pay Richie no mind.
I don't enjoy my food. I don't enjoy my food.
And of course, enjoy your food. What they gotta do with it? That doesn't mean you're not pissed off. Alright. You had a good day today?
I don't want to sleep.
You tired? You want to sleep?
Yep.
Ooh.
I'm still on that, the hard way. I ain't reached nowhere.
If you guys want to know how we made this, we do have a video on how we make curry chicken, but not the roti because we bought it. Okay, so we're not gonna lie to you and tell you that we made it. But I'm pretty sure if I wanted to, I could make it. But this one's pretty good. She said that they had one that was made with chickpea. I was like, okay. So I hope you guys are having a good day. And if you're not, remember, life is short. So tomorrow's another day. And you don't let anybody steal your joy. No matter what that may be. How much pepper you put in here?
2.
2?
I don't care pepper.
I don't taste the pepper either.
Pepper weak.
You got it out of the freezer? The bag with the red ones? Excuse me. And it wasn't hot?
Pepper weak. Yeah.
This is the neck. That's the best part. Honey, you need to be mad all the time because then I get to eat in peace.
Go eat your food. That's right. That's
Come
right.
on.
That's right. Eat your food.
I'm gonna get Richie mad. Well, you know what? Let me stop saying that. Richie's not mad. What he is he's mad.
I need my food on. Say that. I'm sure you eat my food. I'll tell you that.
I told you guys, we're not gonna come on here and pretend nothing.
I'm still eating my food.
Richie pissed off. If you wanna know why, let me know. And I'll tell you in the next video.
Tell them as much as you want to tell them. Tell them.
I'm gonna tell them. Because right in the Fast Food Friday, I'll let you guys know.
Yeah. I know you want to know what she tell you.
They're gonna say, really? All the gravy finished. Man, oh man.
You want more water right here?
More? I have a little bit left. We have another huge roti left. You get the word of the wisdom?
Word of wisdom.
What? Yo!
No word of wisdom today.
Oh God! I saw you mad?
Yeah, we can go and chat.
I saw you mad?
We can go and chat.
Cock a foot. Honey, the family is not like seeing you like this.
I'm not talking to you.
No,
I'm not talking to you.
you're talking to mood. You're talking mood. Yeah, yeah.
I'm not talking about you want to come enjoy and eat my food and you can enjoy eating your food by yourself today.
Good. You always enjoy eating your food.
I know, but I want to eat your food by yourself today.
No.
I want to enjoy eating your food by yourself.
I always enjoy eating my food.
I know you do, but I want you. You did good.
So what I gotta do with the word of the wisdom?
I don't have my phone. Harvey?
I am full.
I did. I gave that big piece of roti. I didn't want it. I didn't eat by myself.
Ooh.
All right.
That was delicious.
I enjoyed that. The curry chicken was nice. Roti was good too, but it was big.
It was huge. That's how I like it, big.
Make it big. Don't forget to like. We shared. Keep out. Help her. Subscribe. If you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. Ooh.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.